Today we're talking about special systems of equations. You'll see why they're special here in a bit. For right now, you just need to know these are still systems of equations. Now, in special systems of equations, you're definitely going to want to look at two things. You're going to look at your slope, and you're going to look at the y-intercept. In order to make that easier, you're going to want to put it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b for both of these equations. What that means is, here on this first one, we're going to need to solve for y. To get rid of this minus 1 and get it to the other side, we're going to add 1. So now our two equations are y equals 4x plus 2 and y equals 4x plus 1. Now I've gone ahead and put them both into a graphing calculator. And here it is, 4x plus 1 and 4x plus 2. When I graph it, it comes up with two lines that look very similar to each other. The reason for this is a system of parallel lines. You should remember parallel lines from before. And what we need to know about parallel lines in systems of equations is they're never going to touch. It's like if you take off running and you get a little head start and someone else runs after you at the same speed. They'll never catch up to you. So when we look at this and we're trying to find the solution to this, the solution to this is there is no solution. Or sometimes what we call in math an empty set. There's no answers here. We have the exact same slope and a different y-intercept. We're not ever going to have a solution. We're making $4 an hour and started out with 2, and we're making $4 an hour and started out with 1. Never going to have the exact same amount of money. We're going to start down here on our second one, and it's a similar kind of thing. We need the slope and the y-intercept, so we have to solve for y. We divide by negative 2, and when we divide, we have to divide everything. We end up with y is equal to 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2x. 6 divided by negative 2 is a minus 3. On this one, we're dividing by negative 4. We divide everything by negative 4. And we get y is equal to a negative 2x. 12 divided by negative 4 is a minus 3. It's the exact same line. I've gone ahead and put it back in the graphing calculator. We have negative 2x minus 3 and negative 2x minus 3. When we graph it, it graphs the one line, and it's still working to graph the second one, but we can't see it. The reason is they graph right on top of each other. If you have the exact same slope and the exact same y-intercept, they're the same line. The number of solutions in that case is infinite. We have an infinite number of solutions. I just draw the little infinity symbol. We're never going to have a different answer. When this is 0, when x is 0, we get negative 3. When x is 0, we get negative 3. It's like running side by side, going the same speed, or even having a motorcycle and the sidecar. They always travel together, so we're never going to have a different answer.